For the last 8 years, I supported startups on the different technology aspects when they come with idea, how to develop, etc. I found some kind of problem that every startup deal with it. So I'm going to show you today. I'm working in a company named SensiBLE. We are a spin-off of Dialand because every day a world come true. So, eventually, when you have the idea, when you want to get the market, you're probably going to start with idea, and then you move into let's find the right technology that we can implement in our products. We're taking the evaluation kit and we're starting the prototype. It takes us a lot of time. It probably will take 6 months to get the prototype. And when we're moving to the next step of the volume production, we're starting from the start because we need to make it much more volume production fitted. And then a lot of startups starting and then doing the same thing 6 months again. And this is the mistake that almost all the startups are doing. I found that this problem that it takes 12 months to develop the product when actually if we will give the right platform, it can take much more time. So what we did, we took the best evaluation kit that we found in the market with the best supplier that we could, and we just stuck all the sensors that we could, the Bluetooth, the microcontroller, the light sensor, the buzzer, data log, everything we could, everything that you need in your system if you want to build some kind of system, eventually will make it much smaller, actually look like the final product. Final product that you put in your product, end product, like Nest. Instead of developing the hardware and wait 12 months until you will build all your hardware, you can take a ready product and just to put in your product. So we are using the hardware and the software time. So eventually we're getting the product that it's starting from prototype, going to volume production, and final device the same hardware, and it's taking only 6 months. Eventually what we did, we cooperate with company ST microcontrollers, and we integrate all the technology that you can see here, the Bluetooth, the micro, the sensors, and other stuff that we use. And we also developing, we're also giving to the customers the SDK for iOS and for the Android. Our business model is cooperation with worldwide company distributor named Arrow, and partnership with semiconductor manufacturer ST Microelectronics. Our team is 3 software engineers, 1 hardware, and me as a business model. Thank you.